In this process, I'll show you the process of installing different parts of the system unit. So we'll start with the power supply unit. First of all, we'll remove the upper case in order to access the interior part of the system unit. Slide it sideways and remove it. Then, when you open it, you can see different cables connecting the power unit to different areas of the computer. Firstly, there is this cable which is connecting it to the hard disk. Secondly, there is another one connecting it to the fans. On this side, you have other cables connecting it to the combo drive. So we unplug the cables. After successfully unplugging the cables, you will be able to remove the power supply.
Hello guys, this is Mark, and today we are going to replace or remove the power unit of our computer. And this is the computer that we are going to use. This is the CPU. And the first thing we do for safety precaution. System unit.
After removing the screws successfully, you push it backwards.
Make sure that you have disconnected live power. And then in order to remove
In this
the
part,
lead,
you have to press the interior part,
these screws are removable by hand.
press it downwards and push the power supply inwards. And then you have successfully removed the power supply. And next, I'll show you how to install it back to the system unit.
Unscrewing them.
So you place it here
You can slide
and you push
gently,
it
and the lid will
out
come out itself.
through this
And this is
part.
the inside of our system unit. So this is the power unit that we are going to remove. And as you can see, it has been screwed in from this side. So the first thing that you need to do is to unscrew.
After fixing it there,
These screws that are
you
holding-
return back the screws to their original
that are holding the
positions.
power unit from the body. So unscrew. So after unscrewing it, it's come out. So you can just remove it outside. As you can see,
So this is the power supply unit. This is the
it has
overhead,
been
and this is the hard drive.
plugged in.
This is the one and the motherboard. Now we concentrate on removing the supply.
After returning the screws cables back to the original
Power
position.
cables are connected, so you have to remove them. You have to plug them. The power cable that connects the combo
You
drive
return the cables
to the floppy
to
disk
the
drive.
position. So firstly there is this one connecting the CPU to the
The
combo
ones
drive.
connecting, this one connects the hard disk, and the one that connects the motherboard.
Four of them, two at the top, and so you do it carefully.
Secondly, there is this one
So
connecting
guys,
the
we
power
have
supply
removed
to the
the
hard
power
disk.
unit from the computer,
Done so units.
and this is how it looks like. It's not working well. You can look for another one and replace it. So after removing it, we return it back. And in order to return it back, you just have to plug
Then
the
there
cables.
is this one connecting the CPU to the
Where
motherboard.
they work.
Just slide the power supply
Plug in
units.
the no, this one is not for this place.
So you can see there is a kind of metal which is here. You just have to slide it and then you remove the power supply unit.
After that,
Attach to the motherboard.
here is another one.
Click on the motherboard. As you can see here, you want to click from there. Yeah.
Plug it
Also,
in.
it has the hard drive, so you can click from the motherboard. And finally, you are
Then you are done, and then you close the case back.
This
And
plug
return the
are
screw to
different,
its
as you can see,
original
they're different
position.
shapes, and they fit according
Thank you for watching.
to the